Hey everyone, Yuri is here. In today's video, I will show you how to easily turn a mono audio track into stereo in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Let's jump right in. Alright, I'm inside DaVinci Resolve. On the edit page, here we have got JITEX conference clip I recorded for social media. For some reason, the audio was captured in mono instead of stereo, which means when I play it back, I only hear sound on the left side of my headphones. Let's fix that. To do this, head over to the Fairlight page, select the clip you want to change, right-click and choose Clip Attributes. That will open a settings window. Now go to the Audio tab. You will see the current format is set to mono. Simply change it from mono to stereo. At this point, you will notice you have left and right channels again. But if the right channel is silent, no worries. Just click on it, go to Embed Channel 1, and now you will have audio playing on the both sides. If you recorded multiple channels, make sure each one uses the correct source input so your audio sounds balanced and consistent. Click OK, play it back, and that's it. Your mono clip is now fully stereo. Dubai Innovation in Action, JITEX 2025. Dubai Innovation in Action, JITEX 2025. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more DaVinci Resolve tips. See you in the next one. Bye!